Imagine this. You're sitting in a crowded room. Friends surround you. You're smiling, laughing at the right moments, and agreeing when you're supposed to. Everyone around you seems genuinely pleased by your presence. Yet as you watch their smiles, their approval, something quietly unsettles you. Not sadness, not disappointment, just a subtle yet undeniable emptiness. Because deep inside, in the space where no one sees, you know a truth you rarely admit. They don't know you. They've never met you. They only see the performance. That's when Carl Jung steps in, not gently, but with a blunt challenge. He doesn't whisper comforting words. Instead, he looks you straight in the eyes and asks the question that breaks the illusion. Why do you keep hiding who you really are? You pause. You want to argue. You want to deny. But your soul knows better. Carl Jung called this the persona, the masks we wear to navigate society. They're necessary at first. They protect us, help us fit in, help us succeed. You need them to survive, at least at first. But here's the danger Jung warns about. The longer you wear the mask, the more comfortable it becomes. The more comfortable it becomes, the harder it is to take off. And one day, if you're not careful, you forget what your face looks like beneath it. In the beginning, it feels harmless. You laugh at jokes you don't find funny. You nod at beliefs you don't truly hold. You soften your edges, polish your words, erase your complexity. Not because you're fake, but because acceptance feels safer than honesty. Slowly, subtly, you lose track of where the performance ends, and you begin. You look in the mirror and barely recognize the person staring back. Jung warned clearly, when the persona becomes your identity, it ceases to protect you and becomes your prison. And here's the cruelest part. The persona always demands more likability, more charm, more conformity. You suppress your anger, your fears, your desires. You bury the weird, messy, authentic parts of yourself until all that's left is the perfect, smiling shell. But deep down, the parts you've hidden don't disappear. They rage. You become anxious. You become depressed. You feel numb, hollow, lost. You wonder what's wrong with you without realizing that nothing is wrong with you. The emptiness you feel is your true self crying out to be heard. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time you spoke your true feelings, not the ones you were expected to have? When was the last time you revealed your real dreams, your hidden pain, your raw opinions? Most people never do, because being authentic means risking rejection. But here's what Jung understood clearly. You will never find wholeness by trading your authenticity for approval. You'll never heal by being liked. You heal by being truthful. You heal by becoming whole. Wholeness isn't perfection. It's integration. It's owning every part of yourself, especially the messy parts. Your raw honesty, your intense desires, your hidden anger, your secret pains, because these are not flaws. These are your truths, trying desperately to return home. And yes, taking off the mask will be terrifying. Some people won't like it. They will leave. But the ones who stay won't be drawn to your polished act. They will finally see you. And in that vulnerable, courageous moment, you'll find something far more powerful than approval. You'll find freedom. So here is your challenge. The next time you're tempted to perform, stop. Stand still in the discomfort of honesty. Let the makeup run down your face in the rain. Let the carefully crafted mask shatter at your feet. Because beneath the mask is someone extraordinary, not flawless, not simple, not tame, but fully, powerfully human, whole, real, And in a world obsessed with being liked, choosing wholeness, choosing authenticity is your greatest rebellion.